Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. We got two John Deere 16 inches. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. Also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final. Okay mi gente. Alright guys, let's go. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna go as slow as I can, like that I can show you everything. This is the best idea, I guess. And you know how I am, I like to be fair. I sell for parts, guys. I know you can be working 100%, I don't care. That's the way I do it in my store. I sell for parts, Alright, you have it there guys, it's not much to show you. You got two of them. Alright, thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Aquí tenemos dos John Deere, dicen que son de 16. Ahí les enseñé ya las punticas, les enseñé todo, tiré aparte unas buenas fotos. Ya saben que yo vendo para la parte mi gente, voy a ponerlo en unas cuantas. Ustedes saben que constantemente estoy poniendo, bueno, cualquier cosita ya saben, aquí estamos, que se una la raza.